So I'm super stoked because I think I finally found a trading strategy that works. Well, at least it works for me. And for the last week, I've realized about 142% in profit. Now, this has been going absolutely awesome. And I'm going to talk about that in a little bit. I'm also going to talk about the projects that I am in, how they're going, how they're doing, and some strategies for the future, as well as where Bitcoin is. So we got a lot talked about. We're going to do it in a short amount of time. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. If you're not currently in our Discord, there's a link down below for the Discord. This is not sponsored content, so no Ponzi scheme or scammer is giving me money to scam you out of yours. So watch out, because we're going to be talking about real strategies, real projects, and things that can make you money with your own money, and you don't have to hand it to someone off and hope that they give it back to you at some point. Again, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and again, not sponsored content, but if you do want to get in any of these projects, the links are typically down below. So with no further ado, let's talk about the first project, Eazybot. So Eazybot's software that trades crypto, your crypto in your exchanges based on its algorithms or the way it's set up. And it does this through like a DCA martingale type proprietary trading system. And it had been working really well up until the market went sideways. I would have made a lot of money in the last couple of weeks had I just pumped more USDT in there and used it how it's supposed to be used, but I did not. It's been going like this, but I'm all the way up here and I didn't buy back in, so no real trades in the last week. I have gotten into this one, same problem though, Jonny Blockchain. I'm going to be talking about that more. I'm probably going to do an exclusive video on it, but right now my bots are stalled because the market's down. I didn't put a lot of USDT in there. I just wanted to see how they work. This is a neat bot. It's a lot different than Eazybot. Similar in a lot of ways, different in some ways, better in some, not as good in some, but it's still a valid crypto trading bot that's worth looking into. I'm going to put links for everything I'm going to talk about today down below. And I'm ripping through these two things because I really want to get into my trading strategy that I've been working on and using. I wanted to share that with you. I'm also in Pionex bots, and it's a grid bot, but the trades are low because it's trading in such a tight margin. You know, Ethereum hasn't really done much in the last couple of months, so it's been even below my grid. I probably should adjust that, but I just don't care enough right now because it's not a lot of money. I'm holding in Kraken. I'm holding in Binance. I'm holding in Coinbase. I'm holding in MetaMask. It seems to be a holding pattern right now. Now, here's what I want to talk about. This is BTCC, where I trade crypto on leverage. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. This isn't even sponsored content. I'm just showing you what I do. And if you want to do something like that, I have links down below. If you don't, good for you. If you just want to watch me fumble along through my journey, I'm here for you. So here is my last 7 days, as you see right here. Let's take a look. I like these cool little things. Last 7 days, I'm up 142% using Bitcoin. I'm trading Bitcoin. So this is from the 12th to the 18th. Today's the 19th, so not including today, really. My 30-day law, I'm still down from the 30 days. So don't say, oh, Joe's only showing us the good stuff. In the last 30 days, I'm still down 50%. But in the last week, I started to catch up because I have a trading strategy that I'm super stoked on right now. Today's P&L, I'm up 32% today. Now, this is only a $500 or $600 account. My goal is to grow this account to $1 million. You're going to watch me here over the next several weeks, months, maybe years, who knows. But this account, I will trade this. Maybe I'll exit before $1 million. But my goal is to trade it up like crazy. I'm not going to be taking profits out. I'm going to be churning my own profits. So right here, I'm getting my butt handed to me in a trade right now, but my strategy is still there. That's a sell line for me. This is where I entered the trade. But just to show you, just to give you a little bit of a snippet, I'm working on one trading indicator, and it's been working very well when I'm disciplined to my rules. I will go into those in another video, but my secret has been the MACD, which is moving averages, convergence, divergence, basically a trend and a momentum type indicator. And I've been watching this an awful lot, and it makes a lot of sense. It's not foolproof. I'm not 100% win rate. I've had losing days and winning days. You know, if you go back to this, if you go down here, This is a winning day, losing day, winning day, losing day, winning day, losing day. My winning days are more than my losing days. I lose small, I win big. Lose small, win big. That is the goal. So you see, I've won 315. I won because it's like gambling with a little bit more strategy. I have won $315. I've lost $206 dollar net profit. Not real bad. As you see here, my winning days are bigger than my losing days. And as long as you keep that trend up, you can have losing days. You're going to have losing days. When I look back at some of these DeFi trading protocols that we were all in, no losing trades in a year and a half. I'm like, wow, they're really, really, really good. And that's going to come to an end. But I'm okay losing a couple, as long as you win more than you lose, you will make money as long as the bets are consistent. But the trades, I have a certain strategy where I don't risk more than a certain amount per trade. I follow a strict set of guidelines. I'm going to go over all of these in a video I'm going to put out this week. But right now, I'm super stoked on this. So watch me along this journey. Maybe I lose all this today. I don't know. I certainly don't recommend trading on margin or leverage what I'm doing, but it's working for me. I also have too much art in there right now to try to tell you how to do it. I'm going to show you what I did later this week, and you can decide that. If you want to get into trading on leverage, be extraordinarily cautious, do a lot of research, do a lot of demo trading. Don't just jump into it because it's very easy to lose money. I found that out the hard way. I've lost thousands of dollars over the last couple of months trying to learn this good, decent working strategy. And this one has been working, and I can't wait to share my updates with you every week. So that being said, what else is going on out there? So, my trading bots are sideways right now, and I just haven't pumped a lot of time and money into them. There's still great strategies. If you got in right now and you put money in one of those, not telling you to do that, but if you did, you might see decent returns unless the market retreats. But I'm bullish on crypto right now. When is Bitcoin going to hit 70,000? If you look around here, we've been bouncing around, getting closer. We've been bouncing around. Let's take a bigger time frame here. We've been bouncing around that $67,000 mark. We made it above, we've made it below, but for the most part, it's been dancing around 67,000, going down to 66.5, going up to 67.5, not even to 68. And really, what I believe is going. Oh, I didn't even show you. It's been dancing around that $67,000 mark. Right around it, up and down. So, when is it going to hit 70? It has a lot to do. I got heck from saying that when inflation goes down, Bitcoin's going to rise. It's going to be one of the drivers. It's not the only driver in rising Bitcoin or crypto, but inflation makes a big impact. If inflation stays high, then people have money. They can put in savings account and get a 5% return. That's a pretty safe 5%. And when inflation comes down, that 5% might be 2, 1, or 0%. And then people are going to have to go out and find places, higher risk assets in order to find a return. It's the search for a return. You don't want your money sitting in an account doing nothing because that's just going to, your money's going to be worth less and less. I've said it before. If you leave your money in the bank long enough without a return, it will be worth nothing. Now, that might be a very long time, but it still goes to zero. Money sitting in cash eventually will go to zero. That's why you have to seek out other asset classes, other places to put your money. I like trading. I used to like playing video games, but I'd rather make money. So I'd rather learn how to trade crypto and make some money than play a video game and make no money and sit there and waste a lot of time. So I've read a lot of books, watched a lot of podcasts, watched a lot of other YouTubers trading strategies, and I'm pretty happy with this one. Basically has a lot to do with these crossovers. We're going to get more into that in my next couple videos. If you're not a subscriber, now is a perfect time to like and subscribe, especially if you like the direction of this content, because the direction of my content is going to be into actual, real, verifiable projects, whether that be trading crypto trading bots you can put your assets into and have full control. The DeFi projects that are basically Ponzi schemes, and I just can't stomach them anymore. Just can't do it. Now, a DeFi project with real utility and is very transparent about the way they're doing things, I'm open to talking about and getting into. But the trading bots that won't share their trades or share their actual insights to their brokerages and whatnot, I'm not interested in. My goal is to get good at that trading and then open a copy trading account on one of these major exchanges that you can put your funds into, and follow the trades. But I'm not there yet because mine's not tested and true. I got one or two good weeks under my belt. That's certainly not enough to go tell the world that I'm a good crypto trader. I might have just had a lucky week. Let's hope that's not the case. I hope everyone's having an awesome weekend, or an awesome week, depending on you're watching this. If you're not a subscriber, great time to do it. I'd love to see you come back. Join our Discord, and I'll see you next time.